everyone, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This is going to be fun. This is actually my first ever DIOR unboxing. Anything, even pre-loved or new from the boutique. I have not started any kind of romance with DIOR, however, have loved obviously the luxury house and Christian Dior as a designer for so long. He was one of my majors in fashion college as well, I mean, he's just sensational. There's so many little attributes about his character and nature as a designer that is just so beautiful, and that just shows in all of the collections that get done. This is not this is not by any means what is in here, like the size, like bag wise, a handbag. It is not a handbag. It's just that because it was my first experience, the amazing essays there and the hype is so true that customer service is on another level in DIOR, and it is. They're really attentive, and the boutique was super busy when Mum and I went in there. The two essays when I walked in, hi Kenneth, he's actually a subbie as well. His name's Kenneth and he's absolutely gorgeous. He gave me, if you watched that vlog, I'll link it below, he gave me like a lesson on the Lady Diors and the My Lady Dior, because I'm a little confused. It's quite confusing with the straps and the flaps and the zips. Okay, so let's start off with the packaging. So beautiful ribbon. So this is the classic bag, and they asked me, did you want classic packaging? So this is just the classic, which is like, it's kind of like a grained leather finish on the bags in white with just DIOR on the front. They said, do you want just classic packaging or do you want our holiday packaging, which is this beautiful line, which you've probably seen in videos. It comes in all different colors, the navy, the red, and this kind of green. And I was like, oh, I like just classic's fine. And when he came back, there was this parcel in there. This is my actual shopping bag with what I purchased from the boutique, which I will show you. And then they also said, we'll give you a classic box, sorry, with the ribbon as well, so that you have like an original classic box. Let's go ahead and start off with this. I'm pretty sure it's just a box. Is it? Did he put a card? Oh, he put a card in here. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna slip it to the side because I just want to keep the box like that. So there we go, I just put it behind me. How pretty is that? Oh, he gave me a DIOR card on the red, the classic DIOR red. And do you love that I'm wearing my L&M J'adore? Not J'adore, but I feel we're in the same world. Oh. All the best wishes for 2019. This is their holiday card. Did you guys see on Instagram the DIOR setup in Paris at the flagship? Oh, over the holidays. Oh my god, it's a pop-up. So he's put here, hi Jerusha, it was my pleasure to meet you today. Wish you all the best and I will see you soon, Kenneth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Kenneth, that is so pretty. The actual item I purchased would have been in this classic box. However, ta-da! Steph, who packed it all up for me, put it in the red. So the red holiday packaging with the tiger. Here is my proof of purchase in the little DIOR slip. Very nice indeed, very beautiful. I will share with you the price and of what I got. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So pretty, so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Their attention to detail on all the packaging. This is like DIOR tissue paper and it's so beautiful. So, oh. So I got that off. Here is a little item in its white dust bag. There is your accordion paper, which DIOR do. Like, that's totally their signature, to have all the accordion in the bottom of the box. And here is what I picked up. See, it's not a handbag. Everyone was like, did you get a handbag? Honey, That would have been the most expensive day, because then I walked across to Chanel and got my backpack. No, I just wanted to start, which a lot of people say they start with SLGs when they're entering into a new design house. So I just got the DIOR. What did I get? Ta-da! I got the DIOR Lotus wallet, or the Lady DIOR like line, the collection of the little compact wallets. I picked this guy up and I wanted to do it in classic black, just so that I could get a feel for the brand and have a look and see what was going on. So this is it here. It can be called the Lotus wallet. Massive shout out to a fellow YouTuber in the Lux, Bohemian Girl. Hi babe. She has the Lotus in, I think in the red or the fuchsia. The red. Fuchsia. And I watched her video and what fits and review on it, and I just thought this is so up my alley because of the layout of it. There is a bigger version, so we've got the beautiful canage lambskin quilting there, which is DIOR's quilting with the canage pattern. You get this little dust bag on the side, which we'll take off, which is just so gorgeous, to hold the little DIOR charm. So it's got the champagne gold hardware of the little DIOR charm on the side, which is so cute, and it can clip on and off. You could put this on a necklace. Oh my god, look how pretty that looks. So gonna do that. It's on and off on a mini little D-ring. It's all the champagne gold hardware. I feel like I agree with a lot of other YouTubers that the champagne gold hardware from DIOR is just so beautiful. It is super duper shiny, and yeah, just really pretty. So the coolest thing about the layout of this wallet is that it has a back slip pocket, and these type of mini compact wallets for me work perfectly. So the card case from Chanel with the back pocket in the XL size works so well, because I put my mum and dad's like condo card in the back there, and then I just swipe to get in and out of their gates. They're in a gated community. And then yeah, so when I saw this has it, there's a little card. I was so impressed. I was like, that is so cute. The bigger version didn't have that. So it's just one pocket on that back, and it's one snap closure like so. We have the little felt protector. Everything is so beautiful from DIOR. This was brand new from out the back. However, even the display model was just so beautiful. Like, I don't know, they just treat their items better. I've seen, you know, lambskin arrive from, you know, have phone order from Chanel, and it's like already got scratches on it and stuff. I'm just like, whoa, for this price point. So this is actually more expensive than the larger size because it is a trifold. So there's your first snap opening, and then these are just card placements, but then you've got your trifold, which is super nice if you want to put bills in here. There is the back bill compartment, which you can see, and that's just got card holders in it. So we have the card slots here, and because it's lamb, I feel like you could probably end up getting 2 cards in, which is really, you know, if you have quite a lot of cards, that's good. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry, 5, 6. So 6 card slots inside. That is super nice. And again, as I said, you could probably end up fitting 2 cards at a time because it will just give to that. There is glazing on this item. There is front glazing and then the back is piped, but there's front glazing on the top. So this is the cute part. A little coin compartment is offered in this model. The bigger model has a zipper coin compartment, but this is like, this reminds me of like old school kind of more vintage Chanel pieces. So control tabs and little card holders. But yeah, just very nice, quite spacious. That'll hold quite a few coins, and again, lambskin, so it'll mold quite nicely. But yay, that is my Lady Dior or Lotus wallet in the black, and then with the little charm in the back pocket. Oh my god! Oh, obsession started. Alright, so let's just give you a few... Sorry. Amazing just stepped into the screen. I don't even know what to say. First impressions is going to be epic on this bag, and I'm going to do it definitely because Jerusha unboxed it with you guys and then just put it straight on my back. Never heard of with me, never heard of. I usually would leave it in the box for a little while, get it out, play with it, put it back in, get it out, play with it, have it sit on my desk, have it sit next to my bed, have a look at it, and then one day decide to use it. I literally put it on my back, walked out the door and picked Marcy up from kindy, and have not put it down since. Mum even just came into the kitchen before and I just had it on my back, and she's like, oh, you won't take it off. She had it on her back just walking around her condo with it, and oh my god. But I just want to compare this this new Lady Dior wallet from Christian Dior to my XL caviar card case, just so you can sort of see a quick comparison. But I did want to show you that the lambskin of this Dior is so similar in that kind of matte, very matte, flat kind of feeling of the calf of this collection of the Urban Spirit backpack. Oh my gosh, guys, there is so many things I have to first impressions. Let's get some first impressions videos up. What do you think? Obviously this, holy macaroni. I have been speaking to a few friends. I called Jen and was like, you need this in your life. She loves Chanel. And she was just like, totally, this as a catch-all in your bag blows everything away. It just does. What it holds, I'm gonna say along the lines of a Louis Vuitton cosmetic PM case, but it's more compact, like it's slimmer, it's not bulky, it doesn't have, and it's leather, it's not canvas, so it's, oh, rave central. Gotta do a first impression. Let's show you these two, shall we? So I stopped talking. So as you can see, this is the Chanel XL, that's what we call it, XL card case in black, in caviar, and then you have the Dior in the lamb, which I just unboxed. Both have back pockets. The card case is obviously coming up as bigger dimensions, but however, this is not packed and it's a trifold full wallet. So you're already winning with this because it's a full wallet that will hold bills, cards, swipes, things of that nature, whereas this is just a card case. So you've got two compartments. I've defaulted my cash in the back, and as I said, what's so great is to have this slip pocket so I can just beep and get into my mum's condo. But just quickly up here, I will show you a comparison of these champagne gold hardwares. This is what I mean by it, but Dior is just out of this world. Look at the shine and just the render of this charm in champagne gold, and then this is Chanel's champagne gold CC. That's fine, it is beautiful. There is something on the coating of this charm in their champagne gold that is out of this world. So to share with you the price of this little guy, which is listed as the Lady Dior medium wallet, or MED wallet. I will try and find it at any kind of links I can. I'll link it below. This came in at 790 Australian dollars, and as I said, it actually was more than the bigger size. The bigger size was like 720 or something, and it was a bit bigger than this, but that's because this is a trifold. That was just a bifold. So that is it, guys. That brings me to the end of my Dior unboxing, my first ever Dior piece ever, but from the boutique as well. I'm going to tell you now why it's taken me so long. Dior is creme de la creme. This stuff is not cheap. Sure, Chanel is not cheap either, but Dior is like a whole nother level. It's just so timeless, it's so elegant, and it's pricey. So I never really dipped into it because there is a downside, okay? The resale value of Dior for some strange reason is really quite low. So if I ever choose to part with these items, I still want to hold some kind of value in them, like keep my money in them, rather than losing money and feeling a little bit of regret towards the item. So that's why I've taken my time. If I ever got a Dior bag, I most probably would look on the resale market. It's just a no-brainer for me. I would love to be able to fork out new for the experience and, you know, the packaging and everything like that. Like to get a supple Lady Dior, that bag is so beautiful. It's so up my alley. That they just don't hold their value it hurts. Okay? It hurts, especially for, you know, a fashion blog like me who just moves through style so quickly. But to start with an SRG, I'm happy with that. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, that would be great. Please tell a friend to sub to my channel as well. And I will see you in my next video. Take care.